Tam nongdo thakta jati ki amar dhurba tara Bharat ki ningtam nongdo thakta jati ki amar dhurba tara He Bir Tiken, He Bir Tiken, He Bir Tiken, He Bir Tiken Bharat ki ningtam nongdo thakta jati ki amar dhurba tara Ngasi August ki tara humdoini nanggi ningsing numit ni Ngasi August ki tara humdoini nanggi ningsing numit ni Kurum jari nakhu yada Bharat macha aikoina Kurum jari nakhu yada Bharat macha aikoina Bharat macha aikoina Bharat ki ningtam nongdo thakta jati ki amar dhurba tara Nangna pamjaba say ho isay Sakling si aikoy naharona Nangna pamjaba iho isay Sakling si aikoy naharona Nangna koydaba ikeng machubu Laigi pareng ukchare Nangna khoidaba ikeng machubu Laigi pareng ukchare Amar birgi murtida Bharat ki ningtam nongdo thakta jati ki amar dhurba tara Bharat ki ningtam nongdo thakta jati ki amar dhurba tara He Bir Tiken, He Bir Tiken, He Bir Tiken, He Bir Tiken
অসম বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় গামোচা ঐক্য মঞ্চৰ তৰফৰ পৰা আমাৰ সন্মানীয় অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ বৰ্তমানৰ সভাপতি ডক্টৰ সূৰ্যকান্ত হাজৰিকা দেৱক আমি অকণমান সম্বৰ্ধনা যাচিবলৈ আগবাঢ়িছো গতিকে বৰ্তমান সভাগৃহত যিসকল গামোচা ঐক্য মঞ্চৰ সদস্য আছে তেওঁলোকক কন্টেক্ট সময়ৰ বাবে মঞ্চলৈ আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো ইয়াৰ পাছতে আমি এখনি চেলেঙেৰে তেখেতক সম্বৰ্ধনা জনাবলৈ আমাৰ গামোচা ঐক্য মঞ্চৰ এক অত্যন্ত গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ বিষয়ববীয়া ব্যক্তি অসম বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ গৱেষক ছাত্ৰ সঞ্জিত বৰা ডাঙৰীয়াক অনুৰোধ জনালো ইয়াৰ পাছতে এটি ফুলৰ দানিৰে তেখেতক সম্বৰ্ধনা জনাবলৈ অকণমান মৰম যাচিবলৈ আমি আমাৰ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ গৱেষক শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ ভিগু কুমাৰ ৰাজখোৱা ডাঙৰীয়াক অনুৰোধ জনালোঁ। ধন্যবাদ। মণিপুৰী ছাত্ৰ সংগঠন অসম বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় যিদৰে পূৰ্বৰ পৰা এক অসমীয়া বৃহত্তৰ অসমীয়া সংস্কৃতিৰ ধাৰা অসমে উত্তৰ পূৰ্বাঞ্চলে প্ৰত্যেকটো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী মিলি একত্ৰিত হৈ বহন কৰি আহিছে, ঠিক সেইদৰে আগন্তুক দিনতো এনেদৰেই প্ৰত্যেকটো জনগোষ্ঠী আৰু অসমীয়া যিটো ধাৰণা সেই ধাৰণাটো অটুট ৰাখিব বুলি আশা ৰাখি পুনৰবাৰ ধন্যবাদ জনাই আমাৰ অনুষ্ঠান সামৰণি মাৰিছো। জয় আই অসম।
ধন্যবাদ। গামোচা ঐক্য মঞ্চ অসম বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়
Ibabumnamaku ikongno kurumjari ngasi Agasti tang 12 ing 2024 naibapokpa numit asida Assam University Manipuri Students Union na sinjaduna athauba Bir Tikendrajit kimitam sangkabagi thoram amadi masiga loinana chamaga kunthraga hundoirak suba Manipuri Singhi leibak ningbagi palan numit asida athoiba mithungleng oina lengbirakliba Chief Guest ki phampham langda lengsin biriba ming oina panjarabada Dr. Surjakanta Hazarika President Assam Sahitya Sabhabu ahanba maktada ikai khumnajabaga loinana taramna okjari. A very warm welcome, sir. Mathangda akhanna mithungloi special guest ki phampham langda lengsin biriba mathang sitna ming oina panjarabada Dr. K.N. Singha, Member, Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi Busu, Ikai Kumnajari, Thagachari, Amadi, Taramna Okjari. Mathangda Professor H. Ramananda Singha, Dean, Department of Business Administration, Assam University, Silchar Busu, Ikai Kumnajabagalوينana, Taramna Okjari. Mathangda Professor K.H. J.N. Singha, Head Department of Linguistics, Assam University Silchar, cum Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Assam Busu, Ikai Khumnajari, Amadi, Taramna Okjari. Mathangda Mr. Sanjib Devlaskar, President Barak Upatiyaka Banga, Sahitya or Sanskriti Sammelan, Silchar Busu, Taramna Okjari. Loina na K.H. Krishnamohan Singh, President Assam University Manipuri Students Union Busu, Ikai Khumnajabaga loinana taramna okjari. Amadi kalingsin biriba masak nairaba dignitaries wajaguru puna makusu thoram asigi damak taramna okjari. Amadi thoram asigi maruoiba thaudang lobigadauriba media ki ichilinaw singbusu taramna okjari. Aroibada mangda lingsin biriba Assam University Manipuri Students Union amadi maitai ifuruk izatibu isagi thauramagni khanbiduna achinba thawai kaya kai thokpiduna maikai kaya dagi lengbirakliba ikai khumnajaribi bumna makbu taramna okjabaga loinana ikokmona khurumjari. Taramna okjabagi wahai kharasi thamjabaga loinana mayamdagi bidai laujari.
Kuma hongkana sobri ase action
I stand here today with a heavy heart to read the eulogy of the son of my childhood friend, Chandra, who happened to be co-owner of the statue of Bir Tikendrajit, which was installed and inaugurated unveiled today. It's really devastating. The loss of a child is really I think we don't have words to explain how the parents feel the loss of a child. I think a child is a parent's hope, a parent's future, and also it's our legacy. It's our flesh and blood. It's a part of our being. And the child was only 13. He died 2 years ago on 30th August 2022. He was only 13. And because I happened to be his father's childhood friend, Chandra, who is now the co-donor of this statue, was my childhood friend for the last 40 years, 4 decades. And I saw the child grow. I saw the child. He was very lively, vibrant, and he was the only son of the family. So how painful it would be. I think I have no words to express the pain the family went through. Really, it's painful. But today is also an event to celebrate. The word may not be fitting because today is a day of observation. But I would say it's a celebration of Chandra's journey of survival. He survived the last 2 years. When I went to him, Krishna Mohan, the youth leader of the community, when he noted the idea of constructing the statute, just because of his well-wisher, happened to be a kind of help to him. So he approached for the donors. And I asked Chandra, will you be able to donate in memory of your son? Chandra said, yes, I can. But he didn't ask how much. And I said, it's a big sum. It will come more than 4 or 5 lakhs. He said, Dhiren, I don't have anything to lose now. Really, it's tearful event. He said, I don't have anything to lose now. What do I have now? And I realized the pain he went through. We didn't talk much. The following day, Krishna Mohan, Omkar, and of their team went to Chandra, and he got the money collected from his house. And I happen to be now read the usually of the child who was really part of me also, who was a part of their family. I read out the usually in Manipuri. Thank you. Manipuri paragiko. Damna labak thibani. It's natural. It's against the, I think, natural order of the universe. A parent should not outlive their child. Because natural order matung nadi mapana hana sigadabani, matung langang halayo lagadubani. Alsigi natural order se kai basi jam numaite. Ado ngasi nda patase ke Manipuri da others meaning Singh lubada. Like Hidraba, Chandra, others Singh. Chandam Suja Chandra Singh in listing November Chechat Om, Leba Pupunamita, Kasar Panagi, Lakipur, Minutan, Leba Kaptambur, one, Chingalaka, Hina, and Tunbakungista Time Parki. Mapu Popa Pantogi Kolo Milandi, Chandam Chandra Singh, Amadi Palemgi, Kolo Milena Chandam, Kamiton Singhani, Chandam Suja Chandra, others speak Libanga, Uringadigi Hona, like Sudan, Tawai Java. Mamala Munusijabanga, when Hore, Mamala Munusijabuna, Madam Weraga, Manipuri Mediam, like them Taki. Mark Palain Panto, in Manungamadi, Perelika Siba, Anang, Mona Hore, Adubu, Karmamatam Dakari, or a Kani Havakan, Namdraba, Evan Yoga Pugni. Then Kavapunchi Kuncha Asida, others who, Evan Kumegi, one myself Jan Ki. Tanam Sujas and others, Masaki Himanga, Sogum Tamda, Rickets Hadiba, Sarugiana, was Naraki, Palay Pantogim Pundadi, Himalu Chinjama Kintar Pagumani, Numitagum Magimato Ubuda, in Manimitamukaki, Marco Mumin, Layaba, and now Langs of the Lanki, Kangmakamba, Destiny, Tanalibatima Parini, Aduana was Cinema Maragama, Mosagum, Atopanga, Sanakunamam Kide, Makide. Adu Tumugan Wata Losilaga, maithong madam chubada nong tawdra leramki maki thonga amadi thawa jawjaba asina pangal waraga makhatana achoba samagna sunai chubati singa manipuri high school da larik tam thaki adubu tamthire mapugi nungtam khulna tanum sunda chandra das masagi chaitara humdo surakpam tamda ing singaniga kunithoi agaski chechat kuntra leba purna mitta ikhan khawdana maki ana unu maram morga silchar medical college ta ay pung apan makai ta bada taum tamda tabung pang si utharukna tabe bakta mapugi lekoda khamnum sawatan ki ngasi su pianninga arba others ki bolan ki adu khungthang ene lehori tanum su chandra others singana khamnum sawatan khabda macha kaina bagi michak ta milu pirang kangraba ai maru tanum hemchandra machabu mutum kudin tan singana Assam University Silchar campus minda Maitei nungsa thoba Tikendrajit ki mitam sabda nungmi tawduna yam kraba sema umma mayangdamak bateng palakpada marup amoina hang chawthokchei awuk sima isa adasna darem rendagi lechin pomai haidoktuna nungmi soina yenglambani hane khanje pamte panjage kana masida paba yaw magadi aigi mingsen nusiraba chanu hemchanagi marup thum diren singan siga beketa kayino qualification take jaw ise ai pam da bani isma hai dum si hapun maina ado ai ki childhood friend hemchandana just because ai ki sila ko ma harau se ado ma hapu na si hapse ki bani ai hamning da bani thank you very much
Laitonjam Romi Singh, eldest daughter of late Laitonjam Manidon Singh and Laitonjam Idemal Devi, most respected and significant dignitaries, teachers, friends, and my dear students. Laitonjam Manidon Singh, my father, while celebrating his 83rd birthday at his own residence at Noyagram, Lakipur, he disclosed for establishing a trust in the name of Laitonjam Manidon Ibemal Education Trust. The aim and objects of the trust is to promote the underprivileged meritorious students, especially from Manipuri community at the HSLC level. That is a cash award, mementos, and a certificate given to the topper students, overall topper students, highest mark scorer in general maths and certificate mathematics and MIL Manipuri under Lakipur subdivision solely at the initial stage, but which may also expand its area in near future. That is, we are also thinking to expand more, not only the Lakipur subdivision, but in future will expand. This for only the underprivileged students of Manipuri community. Today I will say a little bit about my father's background. Okay. My father was born in a very remote village, Lakai, where a little exposure education. Lakai in official language is Chiripar Part 1. He is the eldest son of late Laitonjam Singh and late Merakombi Singh. He finished his born in 26 June 1937. He finished his matric in 1956 from Alhai Schools, Lakipur, and BSc from GC College. Retired as the principal from Alhai Secondary School, Kachar on 28 June 1997. Again, I would like to say that my father was also associated with the various non-governmental organizations in his student days, like I will just not do this one, Krishnamon also, this word, All Kachar Manipuri Students Union as Assistant General Secretary in 1958. And General Secretary in 1959 while he was in GC College, okay? And the President in 1960. He took active role in publishing Matam Gi Pautak, okay, Manipuri Journal in the year 1960. Okay. I also presided as a president in Senior Citizen Forum, Athobaning Singh Loop, Advisory, Pukai Loop, etc. in various non-governmental activities. And a little bit of, I have to this one add for my mother also. My mother, she is from Silchar, Station Road, and she is the daughter of an assistant director, Agriculture. She resides in Manipuri and Tarapur Station Road only. And she finished her school from Sodesi High School at that time. Now we know as DNNK School Silchar. Finally, on behalf of this trust, I really appreciate AMSU MU team on their efforts and sincerity in successful handling the installation of statue of Bir Tikendrajit at Assam University campus, and also thank for giving a chance to our trust to become a part of it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, madam. Moving forward, we have a series of felicitations to honor those who have made exceptional contributions to the construction of the statue of Bir Tikendrajit Singh in Assam University, Silchar. So I would like to request L. Romi Singh, President of Lyconjal Manithan Education Trust, and Chandra Singh sir, to please come up on the stage. We would like to felicitate one of the donors who have made huge contributions to the construction of the statue of Bir Tikendrajit Singh in Assam University Silchar. And with this construction, this is the we are commemorating the dedications and the sacrifices of all those who have made sacrifices for the to protect the motherland. I would like to request our volunteers to please bring out memento and Lengzan to felicitate one of the donors. I invite our chief guest, Padma Shri Dr. Sujakanta Hazarika, sir, President of Assam Sahitya Sabha, to felicitate both of our donors.
Yang pertama, anda Chandra na ikut from jari ngasi Tikendrajit kita orang masih dah ina wahai amak ini kadang hai jagi ai mayam lagi matam ram lau jaro koi Assam University ki Chatra Student Union ki isnamon aduga igi inau wajai dagi makoi ini na ngasi ki koi na makom sigal lepa pangjari wasi makoi ini na sendiri badagi monina exam bira badagi kena do ne adu aigi chasi ki maram dai mayam da atenba mateng utang aina kena do ai chasi Chanam Sudra Chandra das August November ki tang ahum 2022 ki Lifeline Hospital da numidang pung mapan makai da maktai bang phoraki aduga ma Apollo Hospital Chennai da ai tare lag udunai na layang ki aduma prabangam ki de aduga roi wada ma August ki tang kuntra numidang pung mapan makai da ayuk ki pung mapan makai da Silchar Medical College da lekhidabani maana lekhidabagi matam pokpagi matam si numitang pung mapan makai leba ko nimita pokpani aduga lekhidabana ayuke pung mapan makai leba ko nimita lekhidabani ay masigatang miyam da share tawjabani kuramjadi miyam.
Thank you for your contribution, sir. Next, we would also like to felicitate M.K. Gopalsana Rajkumar, Secretary to the Government of Assam Irrigation Department, for his exceptional contribution to the construction of the Bir Tikendrajit mini garden. As sir is unable to be present today at this event, I would like to call on the stage M.K. Gopalsana Rajkumar sir and Madam Sujanil Devi for your contributions.
We now move on to the speeches from our distinguished guests. First of all, I would like to invite Professor K.H. Dhiren Singh, Head in Linguistics, Assam University, Silchar, cum General Secretary of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Assam, to address the gathering. Sir, please.
How Bir Tikendrajit has sacrificed for the sake of his motherland and his resistance against the mighty British. Though he knows that they won't be able to cut down the Britishers, but though he has a spirit to fight against the British for the sake of his motherland, and his spirit of dedication, his spirit of sacrifice, and his spirit of commitment inspired the young generation and inspired us. And we are remembering him, one of the heroes of the Indian history, who sacrificed his life for the sake of the Bharat Mata. And his sacrifice inspired the young minds of the Indian during that time. So I have to mention some names from the Bengal. So Khudiram Bose in Assam, Kanakata Barua, and many others inspired a lot for his sacrifice. So I would like to mention his political affairs. Why Britishers they want Bir Tikendrajit to be arrested and to be hanged? Because of his quality, because of his skills, because of his skilled political affairs. All these qualities, all these things made him hang on this day, 13th of August, 1891. So we are remembering, and today is the historic day in Assam University Silchar. The installation and the inauguration of the statue of Bir Tikendrajit has been a long outstanding demand from the Manipuri community. And I must say that we have initiated in the year 2011, as I mentioned the name of R.K. Gopalsana, Azad Churamani, Okram Churamani, and our brother Gulapi Singh, and many others. They came to the university and they have already initiated the matter with the then Vice Chancellor, Professor Tapati Bhattacharjee. And the Vice Chancellor agreed and has allotted the land that we have installed and inaugurated the Tikendrajit statue today. So I'm thankful to the former Vice Chancellor and the authorities. And I'm also thankful to the present Vice Chancellor, Honorable Sir, Professor Rajiv Mohan Pant, and the Registrar Sir, Dr. Padus Kirana, and the officers who are involved in making this historic day. And I'm really thankful to our members of the All Assam Manipuri Students Union, particularly my younger brother. I'm mentioning again and again K.S. Krishnamon Singh and Omkar, my brother Omkar, and many others. They restlessly, they work very hard to achieve this kind of goals in the Assam University Silchar, because since 2011 we are trying, but it was not the way to find out to install the station in the university. But my brother Krishnamon Singh and his associates, they tried hard and they have done it. I'm really thankful to them. Please have a big clap for the young leaders like Krishnamon and Omkar and his all associates. I'm also thankful to the donors. They come, they extended their helpful helps to be part of the mission. I'm really thankful to my friend, she is Chandra Singh, and the Tikendrajit Singh Trust, the member representative of the trust. I must mention the name of my brother Manidon Singh. So I would like to Manindra, yes, sorry sir, Manindra. And I am not taking much time, but I must say that all those who are involved in achieving this goal, I must thank them, and I'm really thankful to the university administration. They help a lot to do this job. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you all.